Good morning. I got some new things to show you. Hang around for a bit. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining me for another shave and scent of the day. Excuse me. Got some allergies going on. Releases today at noon Eastern Time. We the People. This is from the Razor Company, Heritage Hill, and 345 Soap Co. So this is coming out with a splash. And if you buy the full set of Soap and Splash, you will get a free random soap from either Heritage Hill or 345. So obviously they're going to pick the scent and send it. But anyway, if you buy a set, you're going to get an extra soap for free. So super good deal there. This is based off of Creed Erolfa. And for splash, I don't have the splash for this, so I'm going back with Musashi. Keeping the citrus flair going. And then I'm going to finish with Dior Eau Sauvage, and that shares a lot of notes with this soap. Brush today, already loaded up, is my beautiful Grizzly Bay. I've got some super bougie spa water. And the weapon of today is the new TRC aluminum razor. Beautiful black matte razor. And I've got a Wizamet in there. So we'll see how this bad boy does. This is going to be a pretty quick shave. I've got work coming up today, but let me give you some notes real quick. So the soap, the top notes are bergamot, lime, melon, green notes, lemon, violet, caraway. Mid notes are herbal notes, pine tree, ginger, jasmine, pepper, cyclamen, nutmeg flower, and the base is ambergris, musk, sandalwood, oak moss, and cedar. And for Eau Sauvage, the top notes are lemon, bergamot, basil, rosemary, caraway, and fruity nuts. The mid is jasmine, coriander, carnation, patchouli, orris root, sandalwood, and rose. And the base is oak moss, vetiver, musk, and amber. So the common notes that we have between soap and EDT are lemon, basil, caraway, jasmine, sandalwood, oak moss, and musk. So, quite a few commonalities there. Let's go ahead and get this going. I need to get my butt moving. I started out nice and early, and then, of course, time got away from me. So we're looking for about 15 minutes from beginning to end. I will do a 2-pass with this today, since I'm running low on time. Really nice, fresh cologne scent. Nice citrus pop. Bergamot, which I think is in, like every fragrance known to man. Mankind. Man is not very kind, but we'll call it that. Just distribute some of this paste. And we'll get hydrating. Happy Wednesday to everyone. Hump day. I hope you get to partake. What? Did I say something? Look at that shine. I really like a low structured lather. You can heighten the structure if you like. Just scrub more, like that. You can scrub some air bubbles into it. That's pretty. Beautiful lather right there. I think we're good. Running down the side, super shiny. And I got some lather on my shirt. So I think we're in good shape. Got my razor company towel. And the soap and the razor were given to me by Jason at the razor company to check out. And so I'm about to check it out. Thank you very much, Jason. You're a super good dude. I don't care what they say about you. All right, here we go. So far, so good. It's on the efficiency scale. I think this is supposed to be around mid. And I would say from what's left over, that would be correct. In your opinion. Very easy to find the shaving angle. Very smooth. This would definitely be like an everyday shaver for me, no question. And I believe it is the least expensive American-made razor. But don't quote me on that unless I'm correct. Then quote me. Very easy shaver so far. No nonsense. Just works. Very light razor. And if you didn't already get it, fully made in the US. Very nice. I mean, there's some material left, but pretty efficient. I had 3 days growth, I think. 3 or 4 days growth. I think it's 3. And it wiped that out with no problem, obviously. Is it the most efficient razor I've used? No, it's not designed to be that. It's designed to be every man's razor. An everyday shaver. But as you can see, it will take out 3 days growth, or 3 plus. I think I shaved in the afternoon last time. Beautiful scent on this. I really wish that I had gotten the splash too. It's very nice. I think you would be very happy with it if you pick it up at noon today, Eastern time. Which is the only real time, unless you don't live on the East Coast. Right now, I just dropped some knowledge on you there. You're welcome. You can learn something every morning if you listen. Very easy shaver. Nice residual slickness on the soap. I like it. I think this razor only goes for like 45 bucks. That's a steal. Well, actually, it's aluminum. Doing a good job with the mustache hair so far. I must ask you how your current razor is doing. Hey, I got like 5 more minutes. I'm going to keep them coming. No trouble finding the blade there, under the nose. I feel like this would be a good buffing razor also. You know, like if your car needed to be buffed. Whatever, man, whatever. Plenty of residual slickness there. All right, I'm gonna do just a quick cleanup. I got a few more minutes, so why not spend it shaving? May very well be the best part of my day. Certainly the most relaxing part of my day. Also, there's a live shaving training going on Instagram today for Kim Gray. She's going through a treatment today and is going to be hooked up to an IV for a good amount of time. So if you want to give her something to watch, please go over and be part of the live train. Excellent shave. We'll call that 2.5 passes. It's my show. I can call it 2.5 passes if I want to. All right. making sure we're all okay with that. Man, I amused myself, thank goodness. I would hate to be bored of my terrible jokes and quips. Luckily, I'm not. You may be, and I don't blame you. That's what you get with me, a bunch of weirdness. I think this side burns a little bit longer. I think we got it. Very nice shave. Nice feeling post-shave. Nice residual slickness. Very good soap. Go buy that today. That's a banger. Impressed. Really impressed with the razor too. I got the razor like maybe 2 weeks ago, and I've been trying to get to it. I've got so many other products I've been wanting to show off. Not having to, but wanting to show off that I haven't gotten to that yet. Wanted to show off that Sterling razor, which I think is awesome. Such a rich smell. Love it. I think there may still be all of that Musashi set left. I'm not sure. I know there's some fragrances. I don't know if the razor company has any more of those or not, but definitely check that out. If it's there, buy it. It's maybe my release of the year so far. Very, very nice. And I'll go ahead and put a little balm on here. Just a one squirt. Just not very much, but it goes a long way. It goes all the way from here to work for me. And then back home. Goes a long way. Seriously, this stuff is very moisturizing. Lasts a long time. I love it. And let's finish up with my EDT. Oh, and just enough time to finish getting dressed and get out of here and go teach my intern good things. Another for safe measure, because I love this stuff. Thank you guys for joining me. Remember the live train for Kim Gray. I will post the GoFundMe link for her again on this video. We the People release 12 o'clock Eastern on the Razor Company. So please get that, check it out. I think you'll be very, very happy with that set. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a good chance to do something good for someone. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.